So here I'd like to demonstrate our clamping system for the CuttingStation SS7. We heard from the marketplace that due to health and safety reasons, they're having to fix the saw down to the work platform. So we come up with this clamping system so that it's universal for any saw to be clamped into the CuttingStation. So there are 2 fixed rails and then 2 sliding rails, and then the bolts will slide back and forth, so it's then universal. With this clamping system, it's suitable with the back in or out. Very simple to fix the saw down, put the bolts through the saw, locate the holes and fix down. So you can buy this clamping system ready fitted to the CuttingStation or as a kit form so you can retrofit. Simply ask for yours when you next order.